Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm bringing you something delicious like we always do. So our dish for today is gonna be lobster salad, but then we're gonna put them on a little brioche bread, for like a little finger food, like you pass at wine tasting events and stuff. Let me introduce you to today's ingredients. We have lobster meat, it's already been cooked. We have mayonnaise, caviar, diced celery, lemon, hot sauce, chives, the brioche bread, salt, and pepper. Let's do this. The second part of this video requires us making the lobster salad. So here I have my lobster meat, goes in my bowl, some mayonnaise, the bowl, diced celery, chives, hot sauce, some salt, black pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Lobster salad is ready. Salmon caviar comes in. And we garnish. Thank you for staying to the end. Follow, like, share my videos. Don't forget to comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for staying to the end.